Welcome to our YouTube explainer video on machine learning. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of algorithms and data. Machine learning is transforming industries and making our lives easier in ways we couldn't have imagined just a few years ago. So, let's get started and explore what machine learning is all about. Now, let's talk about the different types of machine learning. There are three main categories: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Supervised learning involves training a model on a labeled dataset, which means the data comes with answers. Unsupervised learning, on the other hand, deals with unlabeled data and tries to find hidden patterns or intrinsic structures in the input data. Lastly, reinforcement learning is all about agents learning to make decisions by receiving rewards or penalties based on their actions. Machine learning isn't just a theoretical concept, it's being used in real-world applications every day. For instance, it helps in fraud detection by identifying unusual patterns in transactions. It's also used in spam filtering to keep our inboxes clean and free from unwanted emails. And in the medical field, machine learning aids in diagnosing diseases by analyzing complex medical data. These are just a few examples of how machine learning is making a significant impact on our lives. Imagine a world where artificial intelligence seamlessly integrates into our daily lives. From healthcare innovations to environmental sustainability, the potential of machine learning to solve global challenges is boundless. The future is not just about technology, but how we harness it to create a better tomorrow. If you enjoyed this journey into the world of AI and machine learning, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell. Stay tuned for more exciting content.